Danish heart ornaments are one of the easiest Christmas ornaments to make yourself. So easy, in fact, that you can get the whole family together to make them. They are traditionally made with red and white paper. However, for a version that will last for the years to come, consider making yours out of wool or felt. We'll be adding simple decorative stitches available in most standard home sewing machines to turn these ornaments into a beautiful handmade craft. Before you begin, download and print the free pattern from the description box on this video. Then you'll want to choose your material. While you can use a simple craft felt from your local craft and hobby store, consider choosing a wool fabric to elevate your ornaments into something you can keep using for the years to come. We'll be using this hand-dyed virgin Australian merino wool from Sue Spargo. It's a luxuriously felted choice for when you want to add a little bit of class to your project. You'll want to cut 2 contrasting pieces of fabric following the pattern. Traditionally, these hearts are made with white and red colors, but you can choose any color you like. Don't forget to cut the pattern against the fold. You'll end up with 2 pieces that will look like this. To make this ornament a little extra special, we're going to add some decorative stitches to it. To make the stitches stand out a little more, we're choosing this glossy 12-weight rayon thread called Accent. Because it's a little thicker, we'll want to balance that out in the bobbin with an 80-weight thread called Deco Bob, otherwise we might run into tension problems. Thread the machine and take a look at the built-in decorative stitches that come with your sewing machine. Choose something simple and not too dense to accommodate the thicker thread. You'll want to stitch 2 circles around your wool pieces. Once around the outer edge, following the curves on each end and across the outer strips, and once more around the inner strips. We recommend starting and stopping where one of the strips and the half-moon shape connect, as there will be a guaranteed folded layer in this place, which will help hide any stitches that don't match up perfectly. Fold your 2 wool pieces in half along the folded edge. You can now weave your ornament together. The goal is to make a checkered pattern. Follow the weaving as shown carefully to ensure it is woven correctly, and don't forget to double check both sides of the ornament to make sure you didn't make a mistake on the other side. When you're finished your weave, you can use the 80-weight Deco Bob we used in our bobbin to hand stitch the corners of the heart where the half-moon strip connect to help hold them together better. The fine thread is perfect for hiding in the fabric where it won't be seen. Finally, you'll want to attach a cord to hang your ornament from. Consider weaving together a few strands of accent thread to turn it into a thicker cord. You can knot each end together and hand stitch them in the inside corners of the half-moon shape to turn it into a perfect little basket. This beautiful little keepsake is perfect for holding candies, potpourri, a photograph, or even a small card. Fill it with goodies again and again every year. We hope you can enjoy making these easy decorations yourself. Let us know in the comments if you plan on making this project, or to ask us about any questions you might have. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and click subscribe for more great sewing tips and tutorials. We'll see you again next time.